Good evening, everybody. Today we are working on the exercise 7D, and this is our second episode on this exercise. This is pure mathematics 1, and the exercise is about the second derivatives. The main topic is differentiation, and this is our second episode on it, and we are going to start from the question number 2 in this episode. And the main theme of these videos is to provide help to the weak students. So let's start here. Question number 3. It says y is equals to, this is question number 3. He says y is equals to 4x. Here we have 4x minus 2. There's a bracket, 2x minus 1 raised to power 4. Their question is find the first derivative and the second derivative for this. A simple question. So we have to find the first derivative and we have to find the second derivative. You see, it's very simple, straightforward question. And let's do this. Okay, so if you want to find out the first derivative, so this is good to go. So dy by the dx will be equals to 4x derivative will be 4 minus the power will come on the side, the 2x minus 1 raised to power will be 3. Then the derivative of this base will be 2 minus 0. So the dy by the dx will be equals to 4 minus 8 into the 2x minus 1 raised to power 3. So this is their first question. They ask us to find the first derivative. Then they ask us to find the second derivative. So we have found this derivative. I will again differentiate it and I will find the second derivative. Okay. The second derivative is d square y by the dx square. And that will be equal, the derivative of the 4 is 0 minus 8 into 3 into 2x minus 1. Decrease the power by 1. And this is 2 minus 0. So the d square y by the dx square is equals to, it will become 48 minus 48 into the 2x minus 1 raised to power 2. So let me check the answer, sir. Exercise 7 minus 48 bracket 2x minus 1 raised to power 2. The answers are correct. So this is how you will do the question number 3 of this exercise. It was very simple. They have given you the equation and they ask you to find the first derivative and then they ask you to find out the second derivative. So this is how you will do the question number 3 of the exercise 7D. Okay. Now we are going to the question number 4. The question number 4 of this exercise is here. A function is given. The f of x is equals to x cube plus 2x square minus 3x minus 1. This function is given. So they ask me different questions. They ask me what is f of 1. Then they ask me what is the first derivative and if I put 1 in it. And then their question is if I take the second derivative and I put 1 in it. Okay. So these are the 3 things they have asked us to find out. The first one is very simple. You see, they have given us the function, and they want us to find out the value when the x will be 1. No derivation. Simply in that function, you have to put in the place of x, you will have to put 1. Okay. There are 3 parts of this question. So the f of 1 will be 1 raised to power 3 plus 2 into 1 raised to power 2 minus 3 into the 1 minus 1. So this will be 1 plus 2 minus 3 minus 1. So that's 3 minus 3 cancel minus 1. So f of 1 will be equals to, I think, minus 1. Let me check. This is the A part. Yeah, the answer is right. Okay, then we have the second part. In the second part, they say find the derivative f prime means find its first derivative and find its value when the x is equals to 1. Okay, so first of all, I have to find out the derivative of this thing. So I know that the f of x is equals to x cube plus 2x square minus 3x minus 1. So the derivative, this is the symbol we use for derivation. So this will be 3x square plus 2 into 2 into x minus 3 minus 0. So the f derivative of, means the derivative of this function will be 3x square plus 4x minus 3. So when I put 1 in it, it will be 3 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 3. So that will be 3 plus 4 minus 3, and the answer is 4. So, and that answer is correct. I hope you understand this. Then they asked me the question on the double derivative. So I know that the derivative, the first derivative is equals to 3x square plus 4x minus 3. I will take its double derivative. Means its derivative, I will again derivate it. So it will be 3 into 2 into x plus 4 minus 0. So the double derivative will be equals to, second derivative. So that will be 6x plus 4. So in the second derivative, in the place of x, I will put 1. So this will be 6 into 1 plus 4, and that is 10. So this is how you will solve this. And let me check the answer, sir. 4 and 10 is the answer, sir. This is how we will do this. A very simple, straightforward question. You see, and function was given. He asked us to find out the f of 1. Very simple. And then he asked us to find its derivative, the first derivative. And in the place of x, put 1. And then he asked us to find its second derivative, and in the place of x put 1. So this is how we did the question number 4 of the exercise 7D. This is the second episode on this exercise. This is pure mathematics 1, ASA levels mathematics 9709. The main theme of these videos, because we are doing each and every question from your course book, the main theme of this video is that to provide help for the weak students who can only grasp the concept when they do a lot of questions and they start from the very basics and then they learn it. So I hope you understand the question number 4. Let's go to the next question. The next question coming up on your screen is question number 5 of the exercise 7D. Question number 5 of the exercise 7D. Let me use this. Question number 5. Okay. The question number 5. In the question number 5, it says this is question number 5, and it says we have a derivative is given. This is first derivative of something. This is 3 divided by the 2x minus 1 raised to power 8. And their question is find the second derivative. This is their question. Okay. Oh my God. It's so easy. This is 3 divided by the 2x minus 1 whole raised to power 8. I want to find out the double derivative. Okay. There was some function. They have not given the function. They have only told us that the first derivative is this. Their question is find the second derivative of that function. So no problem. We can do that. The first derivative is given to us. The first derivative is given. Okay, so that is 3 into 2x minus 1 raised to power 1. So I make its shape little simpler, or you can say friendly for derivation. Now I will do the second. I will find the second derivative. So 3 and minus 8 will come on the side. 2x minus 1 raised minus 8 minus 1, that will be minus 9. And then the derivative of the base will be 2 minus 0. So the second derivative will be equals to 2 3s are 6, 6 8s are 48. So this is minus 48 divided by the 2x minus 1 raised to power. I bring it downstairs, so it becomes positive 9. So question number 5, the answer is minus 48 divided by 2x minus 1, the whole thing raised to power 9. The answer is right. This is how you will do the question number 5. It's a very simple, straightforward, easy peasy question. थोड़ा blur दिख रहा है. That is because I cannot move this further because width-wise the boards get out. The problem with the live is that you have to go vertical. So when I bring that tripod further near to the boards, width-wise they get out of the frame. So see, okay, now it will become more clear. Or wait, I'm going to. Okay, so what you are saying is unfortunate that this is little blur. Maybe this red color may be very blurred. I will try to write with the black marker. Okay, question number 6 we have of this exercise. Here we have question number 6. Okay. Here a function is given, f of x, and that is equals to 2 divided by 1 minus 2x and a square root on it. Their question is find the double derivative and then put in the place of x. This is their question. This is question number 6. Question number 6 is this. Very simple question. So I have to, what I will do, I will derivate it. I will get the first derivative. Then I will again derivate it. I will get the second derivative. And then in the second derivative's expression, wherever will be the x, I will substitute it with minus 4. So this is how I will get this answer. Okay, so let's do this. So, but first of all, you see the f of x is equals to 2 divided by 1 minus 2x and square root. So bring it into the friendly form. So this will be f of x will be equals to 2 into 1 minus 2x raised to power minus 1 by 2. I brought it upstairs. So I will take the first derivative. So that will be 2 into minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 2x, minus 1 by 2 minus 1, and that will be minus 3 by 2. Then the derivative of the base will be 0 minus 2. So the first derivative will be equals to 2 to cancel, minus and minus plus, and then we have 2 into 1 minus 2x raised to power minus 3 by 2. Then I have to find out the second derivative. And the second derivative will be, okay, the 2 will remain as it is, minus 3 by 2 will come on the side, and 1 minus 2x raised to power. minus 3 by 2 minus 1, it will be minus 5 by 2 into the derivative of this base will be 0 minus 2. Okay, 2 cancel, this minus and this minus will be plus, that will make it 6 into, that will be 6, and I can write it downstairs. And this power is negative, so I can write it like this: 6 divided by 1 minus 2x raised to power 5 by 2, which is equal to 6 divided by 1 minus 2x raised to power 5 whole thing square root of this thing. Now we have to find the double derivative when the x is minus 4. So this will become 6 divided by square root. Then you have 1 minus 2 into minus 4 raised to power 5. So that will be 6 divided by, this is plus 8 plus 1, 9. And you will have 9 raised to power 5 raised to, this will be 9 raised to power 5 raised to power 1 by 2. So what will be that? So you can leave it like this also. Let me check the answer. Or we can use the calculator and find the exact answer. So let me check if they have, okay, they have done something with it. Okay, so we have 9 raised to power 5. Let me first of all find 9 raised to power 5. What is that? That is 5. Okay, then we have to take the square root of this. That will be 243. So let me do this here. So we can do this here. Okay, so because that calculation is little, let me find out that. Okay, so you have, I'm working on the minus 4, so that is equal to 6 divided by this 9 raised to power 5. When I found 9 raised to power 5 on my calculator, it is 59049, and then I have to find out its square root. So square root of the answer, that is 6 divided by the 243. When you divide 243 with the 6, you get so 6 divided by 243, and that is equals to 2 divided by the 81. So this is the double derivative when you put x equal to minus 4 in it. So let me check the answer, sir. The answer is 2 by 81. That is right. This is how you will do the question number 6. So this is how we will do the question number 6. This is exercise 7D, and this is my second episode on this exercise. This is pure mathematics 1. It's course book. We are working on it. Shadow Bite is saying thoda blur dikh raha hai. Unfortunately, it's blur. I have written the whole question in the black color, so I hope that it will be much better. Sometimes you see what happens when our internet is slow, the quality of the video drops automatically. So that's why this becomes blur also. Sometimes this is my mistake that is blur. Sometimes my tripod is vibrating. So the main theme of these videos is that we are trying to provide the help for the weak students who have taken mathematics in their A levels, and they understand, they grasp, they master the concept when they have done the whole of the course book. Okay, we are not working the other way. The other way is that we practice the questions from the topical, and we try to learn the concept from the topical. This is the way the weak students learn. Okay, so here we have question number 7. And in the question number 7, we have a table given to us. And we have to fill that table. Let me make that table here. So this is how you do question number 6. So unfortunately, I'm going to erase this. And we are going to fill this. We are going to do the question number, the next question, And that is question number 7. And in the question number 7, they have given us a table. Okay, so we have to fill that table. This is the question number 7, and we have to fill the table. I'm just making table here. Here we have the values of the x, then we have the dy by the dx, and then we have the d square y by the dx square. So this is going to be a table like this. Okay, and the first value is 0, then 1, then 2, then we have 3, then we have 4, then we have 5, then we have 6, then I have to put 7. Here the equation is given that the y is equals to 2x cube minus 21x square plus 60x, and then we have plus 5. Okay. He says a curve has an equation y is equals to 2x cube minus 21x square plus 60x plus 5. Copy and complete the table to show whether dy by dx and d square y by dx square are positive, negative, or 0 for the given values of the x. Okay, so we have to tell that the value of the first derivative, the value of the second derivative, whether it will be positive, negative, or it will be 0. This is the question to me. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to find out the first derivative. So the y is equals to 2x cube minus 21x square plus 60x plus 5. So my dy by the dx will be equals to 2 into 3 into x square minus 21 into 2 into x plus 60 plus 0. This is my first derivative. So dy by the dx will be equals to 6x square minus, it will become 42x plus 60. Okay, this is my first derivative. So I'm going to put in the place of x, I will put 0, then I will put 1, then I will put, okay. So I'm going to replace this x with 0, then 1, then with 2, then with 3, then with 4, then with 5, then with 6, and then with the 7. Okay. So when I will put the x 0, I'm just directly going to write the answer, sir. So it will be 60, which is positive. Okay. Then I will put 1. Let's see what is the answer. So this will be 6 minus 42 plus 60, and that is 24, which is also positive. They don't want the answer, they only want the positive or the negative. Okay. Then I will do 6 into 2 square minus 42 into 2 plus 60. And what will be that? That is 6 multiplied 4 minus 42 multiplied 2 plus 60, and that will be 0. So this answer is 0. Okay, when this is 0, okay, then I will put 3. So 6 into 3 square minus 42 into 3 plus 60. Let's see what is the answer. So that is something like this: 6 multiplied 9 minus 42 multiplied 3 plus 60, and the answer is minus 12. This answer is minus 12. So this answer will be negative. Okay. Now I will put 4. Now I will put 4 in it. 6 into 4 and its square minus 42 into 4 plus 60, and let's see what is the answer. Okay. 6 multiply 16 minus 42 multiply 4 plus 60, and the answer is minus 12 again. So this is going to be a negative number. This is also negative. Then I will put 5. So it will be 6 into 5 and square minus 42 into 5 plus 60. So this will be equals to 6 multiply 25 minus 42 multiply 5 plus 60 equals to. The answer is 0. So this answer is 0. So I will write here 0. So pardon me, I'm going to do directly on the calculator. Okay. So you see, for 6, 6 multiply 6 square minus 42 multiply 6, and then we have plus 60 equals to, that is positive 24. So this is positive. Okay. Now I am going to substitute in the first derivative. X will be substituted with the 7. So 6 multiply 7 square, then minus 42 multiply 7 plus 60, and that will be equals to 60, which is positive. So I will write a positive sign here. Okay. So this is how you see. I hope you understand this. Okay, then I'm going to find out the double derivative. Now I know my first derivative, so I'm going to find out the second derivative. Dy by the dx is given to me. That is 6x square minus 42x and plus 60. This is my first derivative. The second derivative will be d square y by the dx square, and that will be equals to 6 into 2 into x minus 42 plus 0. So by d square y by the dx square will be equals to 12x minus 42. So I will replace it with the 0. So first of all, I'm going to put 12 into 0 minus 42, and that will be equal to minus 42. So it will be a negative sign here. Then I will replace the x, substitute the x with 1 minus 42, and it will be 12 minus 42, and that is minus 30. So this answer is also negative. And then I'm going to do the 12 into 2 minus 42 equals to, so this is 24 minus 42, and that is equals to minus 18. So this is still a negative. Okay. Then I'm going to replace the x with the 3 and minus 42, and let's see. So this is 36 minus 42, and this is minus 6. So the answer is negative. Okay, then I am going to do the 12 into the 4 minus 42. That's 48 minus 42, that is positive 6. So this is positive. Then I'm going to do the 12 into the 5 minus 42. That's 60 minus 60 minus 42, and that is positive 18. So this is going to be positive. And then we have 12 into the 6 minus 42, and that will be equals to 12 multiply 6 minus 42 equals to, that's positive 30. So this number is going to be positive, and this thing is going to be positive, sorry. And 12 into the 7 minus 42 equals to, so it will be 12 into the 7 minus 42 equals to, that is positive 42. So this is going to be positive. So this is how you do the question number 7. This is question number 7, and it is going from the answers of given in the book. Positive, 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 0, negative, negative, 0, positive, positive, negative, 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 positive, 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 positive. 4 positives. Okay, so the answers are good. This is how you will do the question number. This is how you will do the question number 7. I hope you understand this. A very simple, straightforward question. So I hope you understand this. This is question number 7. This is exercise 7D. This is the second episode we are doing on this exercise 7D. This is pure mathematics 1 course book. Okay. Okay, so let's attempt another question. That is question number 8. And then we will see what we can do. So this is how you do it. Let me erase it. So I'm going to do the question number 8. Okay. So we are going to attempt the next question. That is question number 8. Okay. In the question number 8, they say the curve has an equation. This is question number 8, sir. It says a curve has an equation x cubed minus 6x squared minus 15x minus 7. He says find the range of values of the x for which both range of values of x for which both dy by dx and d square y by dx square are positive. Okay, sir. Both are positive. Okay. So the first thing is very easy. Then we have to apply the concepts of the function. So let me solve this first thing. Y is equals to the x cube minus 6x square minus 15x minus 7. So the dy by the dx will be equals to 3 here. So this will be 3x square minus, this will become 12x minus 15. This will become 0. Okay. So this is my dy by dx. And okay. So this is 3x square minus 12x minus 15. Okay, let me check if I have written the right equation. X cube minus 6x square minus 15x minus 7. Okay, so we will have 3x square. Okay, so I will make my derivative dy by dx. So this is how you do this. Okay, you make this thing equals to 0. So divide everything with 3. So you will have x square minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Do the midterm breaking. So you will have x square minus 5x plus x minus 5 equal to 0. So you will have x into the x minus 5 plus 1 into the x minus 5 equal to 0. So x minus 5 and x plus 1. So one value of the x is minus 5, the other value of the x is minus 1. So try to understand this trick, okay? So these are when it will cut the x-axis, where the y is 0. So this is, I will show you where I will use them. Wait a minute. Okay? Then I will find the second derivative, okay? The second derivative is d square y by the dx square will be equals to, this is the first derivative, and now I'm going to find second derivative. This will become 6x minus 12. So I will make 6x minus 12 equals to 0. So I will get the x equals to 12 divided by 6, that is 2. Okay. So they say that both these should be positive. And I have to tell the range of the values of the x, where both these, this and this thing, is positive. Okay. So let me show you. Can you understand? This is a quadratic expression. This is a quadratic expression. Its x square coefficient is positive, so it's a happy face. Okay, and I know its y-intercepts are these. Okay, so basically, just a rough sketch. Sorry, this is positive 5. Okay, this is positive 5. So it will be something like this. So this graph is a happy face, and it will be something like this. It will be cutting the y. This is y equals to 0. Okay, and this will be -1, and this will be positive 5. Okay, so I'm just drawing the graph with this. Okay, so y equals 0 is cut by this expression. Its graph is this happy face, and at positive 5 and -1 it will cut. Okay, and this is a straight line. This is a straight line graph, and its gradient is positive, and it's going to be cut at 2. Okay, so it's going to cut the y-axis. I'm saying y-axis. It's x-axis where the y is 0. At the, suppose if this is 1, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. Suppose. So it's going to cut this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 at 1 and 2. So suppose this is. The gradient is positive. The graph will be something like this. Let me make its color different. So it will be something like this. Okay. So this is the graph. This blue color graph is for the 3x squared minus 12x minus 15. And this black color graph, straight line graph, this is a straight line, okay? Just forget this. And this graph is for that thing, 6x minus 12, okay? So, where the graphs are both positive, after this, here, not here, sorry. The point by mistake I just trying to shade. You see the problem with it? This black graph is positive, but at these x values, the y here. 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 This area. What is the most important thing about this area? I'm just trying to shade it. What is the important thing? In this area, after this x equals to 5, the blue color graph is above this y equal to 0, and the black color graph is also positive. Okay, so after the x equals to 5, the values of the x greater than 5, the blue and the black, both the graphs are positive, means they are above y equal to 0 line. Okay, so I think the range of the x should be greater than 5. So x greater than 5, both the graphs are positive. This is the concept we have learned in the functions, the chapter of functions. So x is greater than 5 is the right answer. So the mouth of the crocodile should be towards the x. A little difficult concept. Let me bring that camera close to this graph. Okay. So this is how you will, so that it's much more clear. So I just draw the graphs. The happy face graph, 3x squared minus 12x minus 15. I found its x-intercepts. I just draw the graph. This is a freehand sketch. Then the d square y dx square second derivative, its graph is a straight line, 6x minus 12. I found its x-intercept, and I just draw a line, rough and sketch. So my basic question was that where are both the graphs positive at the same time? So after x equals to 5, you see the blue color graph is also in the positive portion of the y value is positive, and the black color graph is also in the positive portion. So in the x should be greater than 5. Then both the functions or both the graphs will be positive. So my dear students, so we are done with this. So today, I think that's enough for today. So my dear students, today we have done exercise 7D, and this is the second episode on this exercise. This is the pure mathematics, and this is the book we are following. This is the course book which I am following, and normally I make my students follow this. You see, the basic aim of these live videos is to provide, to solve the course book. And you know, this is not for everybody who is in A levels. These videos are for those students who think their mathematics is a little weak. So they need to do all the questions in the course book to master that concept. So I hope that this video will be helpful to you. And thank you for your coming into the live session also. And also coming into the live session is not that important. You see, I will put the recording of this video will be on my YouTube channel, and you can watch that video later whenever you have time in your life, and you can prepare by the luxury of your home. And I hope that this video will be helpful to so many students around the world, especially the students, I can say, all around the Pakistan, the students in Brunei, the student in Mauritius, the student in UAE, the students in India, and the students in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the students in Kuwait. So all around the world, and students in Bangladesh, yes, the students in Bangladesh. So thank you very much, everybody, for taking out time and watching these videos. When you watch these videos, please like these videos, also share these videos, and also subscribe my channel, because you see, when you do this, this is a great support to my work. And you can still see it's today's, I think, 5th of the September, and it's hot and humid. The weather has changed, but it's still hot and humid in Sagoda. You can see my hairs are totally wet. So thank you very much. It's no problem. Whenever you are learning, we don't care about the sweating of this thing. Okay, so keep focused. So thank you very much. It's a great blessing for me that I can make these videos and be helpful to so many students around the globe. Thank you very much. Have a good night, sir. Bye-bye.